Simulations are useless if they stay trapped in a sandbox. To drive actual business value, approved plans must be committed back into our live production database. So, we're inside our workshop editor. Let's enter the sword tab. And you're going to see that I made a button off camera called the commit plan. And the commit plan, if we go to the configurations, I've set it so that on click, the scenario is applied. And we've ensured that the target is set to our active scenario variable. And this creates our merge contract. So when clicked, Workshop will take every in-memory delta inside our sandbox and write it permanently to the production database. So I've already saved and published this. And if I enter view mode, let's create two scenarios. One we'll leave untouched, the other we're going to onboard an operative. So we're going to click now our blue commit plan button. The transaction executes and our success banner is displayed. And more or less, let's go back, you're going to see the in-memory delta has successfully merged into our master ontology. And you may have noticed that in scenario 1 there's a temporary duplicate row for operative. This is because the record has been permanently written to production, but our in-memory sandbox delta is still active in our local browser session. So you see, just refreshing it, wiped out the scenarios, duplicate instantly disappears, and we're left exactly with one clean permanent committed record for a new operative. So, I'm going to leave this page now, as I think this wraps everything up. We've kind of completed a basic entire systems architecture blueprint, from raw ingestion to making some adjustments in pipeline, more adjustments in the ontology, governance, and also closed loop decision simulation. So the hope is that you've now acquired some sense of systems engineering judgment to now be able to build on top of this production grade builds and start architecting secure applications that act as a true system of truth for your projects. It's been really fun building the Outer Heaven project, from the first clips to this last one, and this will kind of wrap up the conceptual approach that we've been taking under the Outer Heaven concept. And I'm personally excited for the future content that we're going to build. So this kind of wraps up this chapter, and I'll be hitting the drawing board with the rest of Avinyr, and we will think about what would be the most interesting content to create, and hopefully we also get enough feedback from the community to know as well what you guys would like to see. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and keep building. See you guys in the next masterclass.